10:30. We've been here 2 hours and a half. I don't know if you can hear them or not, but the Blue Angels are here for the air show. My buddy Tommy's joined us today. Market is wide open. We've had a pretty good, really good 2.5 hours. If it would have kept up, we would have had a ripper for sure. But as it is, I'm hoping half a ripper. I think I got that covered. Okay. Food truck, he's been busy. I had breakfast there. That goes on. Blue Angels will be in a minute. I can grab the camera fast enough, I can get them. The show starts at 10 o'clock, but it's about 10 miles from there.
Next time, dali ko yung ano.
Thought I was done, but on the way home I got a call for the bushes, and I got knives for you. So I got 3 big slicing knives and some carving knives. So the day's not over. Well, it is over, but I don't have to have them back till Monday.